Does the rain make you feel for love songs and your bed?
Oh my goodness. Yep, it's been raining all day. All day. Yes, and you know when it's raining, that is the mood or the setting for love songs and your bed. And I was at work. OMG. Yes, I was at work. Not in my bed listening to some love songs. As you can hear, Gerald Levert is playing. I haven't heard Gerald Levert in a minute. Love me some Gerald Levert. So, it is Tuesday, and what happens on Tuesday? The only thing happening right now is me going upstairs and getting comfy in my bed. Seriously. This is weather for, what do the old people say? Making babies? I've had enough. Okay? A lot of babies pass through here. We know. But definitely for getting cozy. OMG. I hope you guys are having a great day. I am just over the amount of rain we have seen. I left for work in the rain. I came back in the rain. I'm grateful. We got to thank God, right? Yes. Anyway, you know what I say. Let's thank God for every day. Until the next one. Bye.